Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when you're unable to install this update. That is KB5062553, 0x800700002, or 0x800F081F. Then please follow the rest of the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to start the App Readiness Service. For this, type in Services in the Windows search box and then click on Services. Over here, you can see App Readiness. Double-click on App Readiness and then set the startup type to Automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now you can try to update your Windows 11. Still not working? The next step is to move this folder to a different location. For this, open File Explorer. Go to this PC and open C drive. Over here, you can see the WinREAgent folder. Now, if you don't see this folder, click on View on the top, select Show, and then put a check on Hidden Items. You should now be able to see this folder. If you still don't have this folder, you can skip this step and follow the next one. But if you do have this folder, you can just copy this folder and paste it somewhere. Maybe to the desktop to create a backup. Once you have a backup, delete this folder. Once it is deleted, open Windows Settings and then update your Windows 11. Once the update is complete, restart your computer. If the update is successful, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can put this folder back into the C drive. If you want, you can put it back. Still not working? The next step is to run the Update Troubleshooter. For this, open Windows Settings. Go to System, then go to Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters, and here you can see Windows Update. Click on Run, and let the troubleshooter complete. Once the troubleshooter is complete, restart your computer and try to update your Windows 11 again. Still not working? Restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type Services in the Windows search box and go to Services. Find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Double-click on Windows Update. Set it to Automatic. Click on Apply, then click on Start, and then OK. With Windows Update selected, right-click and click on Restart or Start. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double-click it. Set it to Automatic. Click on Apply, then click on Start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now right-click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service and click on Restart or Start. Now try to update your Windows 11 and check. Still not working? The next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Copy the link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to the Microsoft website. Over here, you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on Download Now and then run this .exe file. Click on Yes. Now, if there is any update available, you will see the Install or Update option. In my case, it's already up to date. So if you see Update or Install, install it using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant and then check. The next step is to reset Windows Update components. Copy all the commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Once you copy them, open Notepad and paste all the commands. Then go to File on the top, click on Save As, and name this file as wix.bat. For Save As type, select All Files and set the location to Desktop. Save it. Now go to your desktop. Here you will see the Wix file. Right-click on Wix and click on Run as Administrator. Make sure you open this file as administrator. Let the process complete. First, it will stop all the Windows Update components, and then it will run some scans. There are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. This process will take some time. Once all the scans are complete, it will restart all the Windows Update components. Once it's done, restart your computer. But let the process complete first. Once it's done, restart your computer. After the system restart, try to update your Windows 11 and check again. Still not working? In that case, go to Windows Update, then to Advanced Options, and then scroll down and go to Recovery Options. Here you will see the option that says Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. Click on Reinstall. This process will take some time, and once it's done, it should fix the problem. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.